Master Kanar. Today we're going to do Mushim 1 through 5, and then we're going to work on our side kick. So let's start with Mushim. Cheer it. Shimmy. Mushim number 1. Step out in a horse stance. Push those arms out. Big arm circles. Bring it back where they started. We're going to key up. Ha! Shimmy. Other side. Bend those knees. Step out. Push. Big arm circles. Come back to where you started. And ha! Shimmy. Number 2, we're going to go into a back stance. Step back. Make your knife hands. This one's like a shelf. This one's your block. Chummy. Step back with the other foot. Chummy. Number 3, we're going to bend our knees. We're going to step forward. Bend your front knee. Leave your back knee straight. Both hands push out. Leave your front hand where it is. Back hand's going to make a circle. You're going to watch it make a circle. It's going to chamber for a punch and ha! Shumbi. Other side. Step out. Push. Make a circle. 2 fists. Ha! Chummy. The next one is cat stance. Pretend like we're holding the ball. Step back with 1 foot. Roll the ball. Chummy. Put the ball on the other side. Step back with the other foot. Roll the ball. Chummy. 5. Put your hands palm up. Step out in a tiger stance. These are your tiger claws. Jump. Other side, wind up. Step out, lean forward like a pouncing tiger. And jump. Cheer it. Good. Nice job. Alright. Now we're going to look at side kick. And we're going to actually start our side kick from the floor. Prop up on your elbow. Sit up tall. Don't go like this. It's not going to be helpful. Prop it up on your elbow. Bring your top leg, knee all the way towards your face. From there, you're going to push out with your heel. Straight line. Your toes should be pointed down. If you straighten your leg and your toes are up like that, turn your toes down. So we're going to do 5 of these, and then we're going to switch and do on the other side. So pull your knee in. Push it out. Hana. In. Dual. In. Set. In. Net. In. Dust. And switch to the other side. Remember, up on your elbow. Knee comes towards your face. Ready? Hana. Dual. Set. Net. Dust. All right. Bring it back in. All right, now we're going to stand up. And we're going to look at what our legs are doing. So get in a horse stance. Pick your target. It can be a couch cushion. It can be a pillow that a parent or a sibling is holding for you. You're going to line up with it. Turn sideways. Bend your knees. The leg farthest away from your target is going to turn. You're going to point that heel at the target, like that, and then go back. Go again. Point it and go back. Again, point and go back. Point, go back. One more time, point and go back. All right, now we're going to go next step. We're going to point. We're going to lift our leg and put it down. Point your heel, lift your knee, put it down. Point your heel, lift your knee, put it down. Point your heel, lift your knee, put it down. All right, last step. You're going to have a full side kick on your hands. Point your heel, pick up your knee, kick out with your heel, bring it back, put it down. This is harder to do slow than fast, so you don't have to do it that slow. You're going to point the heel, pick up the knee, kick, bring it back, put it down. All right, so let's do 5 side kicks on that leg. It goes fast or slow as you want to go. And key up with every kick. Ready? Hana. Hut. Dual. Hut. Set. Hut. Net. Hut. Dasa. Hut. And switch sides. Hacha. I'm going to come back here. And now let's just start with our heel pointing. So the foot farthest away from your target, point the heel and bring it back. Point that heel, bring it back. Point the heel, bring it back. Point the heel, bring it back. Now we're going to point and raise the knee. Point the heel, raise the knee, sit it down. Point the heel, raise the knee, sit it down. Point the heel, raise the knee, sit it down. All right, here we go. Ready? Side kicks. Hana. Dual. Set. Net. Dasset. All right. So that is your side kick tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Next up is how to play Chariot Chumbi, a tutorial for your parents. So keep training, and we will see you soon. Kamsahamnida.